Here's our group members. Hi, my name is Muhammad Iskandar bin Hilaluddin and my matrix number is 2019 456966.
My name is Muhammad Arif Fikri bin Muhammad Sobri and my ID student card is 2019 212138.
Hello, I'm Muhammad Idlan bin Idaham
And my matrix number is 2019 494444.
My name is Muhammad Iqmal Hakim bin Hamdan with matric number 2019694998.
Assalamualaikum and hello madam, my name is Muhammad Fakrul Akmal bin Muhammad Ali and my student ID is 2019290094.
The issue that we will be discussing is human resources need to know how to use technology to stay relevant.
will explain about introduction. Human resources management is the process of hiring, training, rewarding and establishing rules and retention techniques for employees. In the previous 2 decades, human resources management has seen significant changes, making it an even more important position in today's organization. We also have to know what is human resources technology. Human resources technology is a broad phrase that refers to software and hardware used to automate the human resources function in businesses. Payroll and remuneration for employees, talent acquisition and management, workforce analytics, performance management, and benefits administration are all covered. Despite the numerous benefits that human resources will obtain as a result of implementing human resources technology in their job, we have discovered various challenges as a result of implementing human resources technology. It is a critical issue that we must address since it will impact a business workflow. As a result, our group will discuss in depth the challenges that arise when human resources management implements human resources technology.
4. In our group presentation, I would like to present the part of what is the problem for human resource management in technological aspect. The first problem was the human resource management need to stay up to speed on the latest technologies and know how to apply them to be relevant in the company production. Resource management face this problem is because there are various factors that occurs when they want to use the technology in human resource for the operation. In order for the company has the good flow of operation to maintain or increase the production, the human resource management need to consider some factors before use the technology. Also, technology was the inanimate object where it can become important for the human resource management to learn about the technology so that it can help them to know where it needs to be used to make sure the usage of the technology can be fully utilized in human resource for the operation to give the best company production. Human resource department also must manage the technologies because in terms of operation that comes from human resource, only human resource department that know how to place the technology in good placements of technologies to help the company production to increase. Other than that, the second problem is human resource management must take a proactive role in determining how to integrate appropriate technology into production, where they need to know where the technology should be placed or removed if the technology can't be fully utilized. Why human resource needed to do that is because if the technology is needed, it can increase the operation and help increase the productions of the company. And if the technology removed, it can help decrease the cost of production and reduce the inefficiency in the operations of the company. If they were unable to understand and learn to know about the technology, it can lead to the disruption towards the company operation that will cause the productions of the company can be decreased. Especially in nowadays, technological change happen in most industries. that if the human resource management were not able to help the company to manage the technology to be implemented and used along with the human resource, it can cause the company to not able to compete with other companies. Last but not least, the third problem is human resource management must deal with the issue where they must constantly check, perform some maintenance, and provide an updated system to the technologies. In order for the company production is maintained or increased, the human resource management were responsible to make sure that the technology that are used or implemented can be performed well in the operation for the production. If they were not able to keep ensure the technology can be performed well, it can cause a big impact towards the operation and the production of the company, and the company will suffer some decrease towards their operation and production.
Let's move on to the causes of the problems. We have identified 3 causes that contribute to all 3 of the previously stated problems. The first cause is that human resources management is accustomed to the traditional manner of functioning since they have been doing it for many years. Assume a business intends to employ technology to accomplish its goal. In such situation, they must adapt to a new strategy which takes considerable time and effort to master because not everyone is comfortable with technology. While it cannot be denied that technology contributes to increased productivity, the business cannot compel individuals to swiftly adapt and accept new technologies, since this would put them under pressure to do something they did not want to do. This will impact production activity performance, since employees rely on them because they are the ones who look after the workers' well-being. When this occurred, the corporation was obligated to revert to the traditional method of allowing human resources to gradually adapt and learn how to use technology rather than forcing them to do so immediately. The second cause is that human resources management currently lacks data on how well technology can assist in improving corporate output because most technology is still new. When it comes to engaging people about their feelings or emotions, it is preferable to use the traditional method as it allows employees to talk about their problems and listen to them on one-on-one because we can respond quickly and gain a better understanding of their problems because we can see and react to their reaction. As we all know, one of the goals of human resources is to ensure that employees have someone they can trust, and if we interact with them through technology, doesn't it appear as if we are making no effort to engage with them or encourage them to speak out about their problems? As a result, not all technology is appropriate for use in human resources management. It is advisable to do preliminary study to determine which technology should be employed first, rather than relying totally on technology which is not always beneficial. And the last cause is that technology is a system critical to the operation and production flow. It is crucial to maintain top-notch technology. If the technology fails, production will be delayed until the problem is resolved. Technology is entirely dependent on the algorithms created by developers. As a result, most human resources was unaware of how to maintain it in the event of a mistake or malfunction. Employees who don't know how to utilize it will run into problems, and if they do it carelessly, the technology is likely to malfunction. Consequently, human resources management may find it challenging to use technology with prudence in comparison to traditional ways that require less care and do not do as much damage.
There are some effects on human resources management in new technology system. The first effect is older workers will have a difficult time learning new technologies and may be displaced due to their lack of understanding. On the other hand, some senior workers are used to it, which they always do. Think clearly and equitably, since you're responsible for what you do in human resources management. Older employees need to know what will happen if they don't adapt to new technology quickly enough. It's a stressful and frustrating situation since they realize that the consequences of not embracing the latest technology and push themselves to adapt as soon as possible. Some elderly workers may retire because they can no longer afford to keep up with technology, and their job will be sloppy and not done effectively. As a result, any change in one's daily routine might result in feelings of anxiety and stress when new technologies are implemented. Meanwhile, persons who don't have a requisite skills and understanding of the technology, notably in human resources, will not be readily accepted by the organization. Some people who have earned diplomas, degrees, and other credentials cannot find work because they lack relevant experience, abilities, and self-assurance when it comes to interviews. Necessary skills and understanding of current technology are critical since most business nowadays want to employ technology in their operations, and human resources must adapt. As a result, unemployed persons are more likely to suffer a range of issues, including difficulty finding new jobs and decreasing income. The epidemic has detrimental influence on society and the economy. For example, a corporation has begun to establish work from home policies to reduce the risk of COVID-19 spreading. When employees begin working from home, they were required to use any technology necessary to do their tasks, including human resources. And lastly, they must use technology to carry out their responsibilities, such as online videos to interview candidates and interact with employees. Employees and human resources will be unable to communicate regularly if they do not know how to use the technology. From here, the odds of them being dismissed are substantial since they cannot do their duties and will disrupt the company's smooth functioning. Consequently, companies must consider being fair by using both technology and old method at this challenging time, so that employees may continue to do their jobs while learning how to utilize the technology.
The solution to overcome these problems. Human resource management is growing into a more technological-oriented profession today. A human resource professional must stay current on emerging technologies and understand how to apply them to the appropriate departments. Well, modern problems comes with modern solution. The first method that can be applied to this issue is by gaining more knowledge regarding human resources. By gaining more knowledge regarding human resources, I meant enroll in study course offered by most Malaysian universities that educate students on utilizing fundamental and advanced technologies. As an example, University Malaya offered a different level of Microsoft Office certificate as an elective subject. Moreover, this initiative may help the recent graduates to gain more knowledge on how to use technologies to do their jobs. The second method that can be applied to this issue is by attending a workshop. Attend a workshop on the newest human resource technology and its use in their employment. As an example, there are several seminar events that may assist human resource professionals in developing their abilities, such as Human Resource Skills for HR Administrator, which is being arranged by BMC Training. BMC Training is widely regarded as one of Malaysia's top training providers. BMC Training offers human resource management training, compensation and benefits training, and other human resource related courses. These seminar events can increase human resource efficiency, allowing them to complete their tasks more quickly and without any errors. In addition, the event will guide you the latest human resource technology such as a smart applicant system that automates recruitment operation. Last but not least, training and compliance. Training and compliance is a learning system allows workers to complete their training anytime and wherever they choose. Employee training may benefit from the most recent advancement in human resource technology such as gamification. A mobile solutions enable employees to complete necessary training without interfering with their workday and provides additional room for training. For example, business organizations may create training materials that are more relevant to their specific audience by using Agoco's LMS.
And that's the end of our presentation. We hope you guys enjoy watching it. Thank you.